Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and this is for the second week of November. I want to do a fall theme this week, and it is using this paper from Miss Sparkle & Co., and it's called Woodland, and it just has really cute pictures of little foxes, like this one, really cute. And there's another one. There's a leaf pattern that's really pretty. And then here, this is, I love this. And then it has this plaid or gingham check and this stripe. I don't think I'll use that. I may use this one because it, I think, goes well with it. And then I have some gold leaves that they were from the Dollar Tree last year, not Dollar Tree, from the Target Dollar Spot last year. And then I have these washi tapes, and these are from various places. I think a couple of them are from the Target Dollar Spot, and then I don't know where the other ones are from, but I have an orange glitter, a brown glitter, and this like rose gold glitter. And then I have this goldish, kind of rose goldish little stripy thin washi and an orange striped thin washi. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I definitely want to use the orange. I don't know. Let's see when I get it all laid out here. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final planner spread. I think it turned out really pretty. I love these watercolor images of the woodland creatures and the foxes here. So I think it tied together well using the different colors, the orange and the brown and the rose gold washi tape. So I kind of wish I had like a bigger image to put down here, because you know my standard planner spread has to have the bigger image over here, but I didn't have that this time, but I think it still turned out pretty cute. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.